Hey guys, today we're gonna assemble the mostly 3D printed CNC. So I've got all my parts printed out here. The only one I got left is the core, which is the biggest part of them all, and it takes over 2 days to print at 70% infill. So that one will be done in the morning, but we can go ahead and start assembling the rest. So first thing we're gonna do is cut this 3/4 inch EMT conduit. I've got a conduit cutting tool here that I got from my local hardware store and a deburring tool to get all those sharp edges nice and smooth. So I bought this. Apparently I didn't read the packaging very well because I bought a deburring tool as well as this. And turns out this little slide over here has got one in it. So read the packaging, guys. Don't be like me. So not only does this deburring tool work pretty good for metal conduit, but also it's great for 3D prints. Really cleans everything up, especially where you've got the print sitting on the bed. If you're using a brim, some of that can be pretty difficult to get off just by hand. This helps quite a bit. Well, whenever I was putting this core together, I've noticed I've already got a small crack in one of the 3D printed parts. I either clamped down too hard on that bolt or just didn't get good layer adhesion for that part. So I've got all 4 of these on the printer right now. We're gonna get those reprinted. All right, I've got everything assembled here. Got the belts installed, the machine's all squared up. The instructions on the website are actually really good, and everything's pretty straightforward. It seems like it's pretty solid, but it's gonna be hard to tell until we actually start machining some aluminum and see if any of these conduits bend. I've heard that they can, and some people do like a thicker piping, steel piping, so may end up swapping those out, but we'll see down the road. For now, I've just got a mount for a pin to mount in here, and we're just gonna run some tests and see if we can draw some pictures and learn how to use the machine starting off. Currently printing an enclosure for the control board and the LCD. I've also got this little vise that I've used before. I'm probably gonna mount in here somewhere, just so if I want to mount a aluminum stock in here and I need to machine multiple sides of the aluminum, I can put it in there, machine one side, flip it to the 90 degrees or 180 degrees, machine the other side pretty easily without having to know where exactly I put it on the board. Just makes it a little easier to locate the part. So in the next episode, I'll get this thing wired up and start moving it around. Thanks for watching.